I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. As you can see here, we are back at Chuck E. Cheese. We're at the one here in Dover, Delaware. It's just been redone. Normally you had the animatronic Chucky back here. I'll show you some clips of how it used to look. So we're here now. Everything's been redone. They have some new games. We also took a look at the outside when we were walking in. But we're going to be in here today, having some fun with the kids and checking out the upgrades that they have here. Let's get started. They still have some of the classics that they had last time, the Ghostbuster game. Also the Cruisin' Blast, which I'll be playing that. I love that game. They have the different Lamborghinis you can drive. Got the Crossy Road skee ball here. My daughter's really good at that. We'll be hitting all of that. So some of the games they've kept, but then they also have some new ones in here. And we'll head around here and I'll show you some of the new stuff. And you can see some of the, well, right here, that Halo game is new. Black Hole is new. And you can see some of the decorating they've done, changing it out. This Justice League game is new. And then just some of these little things here for the kids. Obviously you can see the big display. And then they also have the dance floor here. It's interactive, I believe. Like if I touch it, you'll see it move. That's pretty cool. And then just some of the decor has been upgraded as well. You got 10,000? Hey Isaac, they still have our game. We'll have to play it. This game here, this Drop It, I guess is what's called. That's new. And this one here, Let's Go Island, that looks new as well. Always racing in Brazil, because I used to live there. And always got to pick the Countach. And always go with silver, since that's the color of the one that we're restoring. You can always check out, I'll have a link across the top, but the product, the restoration project that I'm doing on my Countach. You want to see that? Always a fun place to come to. It's actually my birthday. The family wanted to know where I wanted to come. I was like, let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. I always love this place. But you can see here behind me, Isaac's at work there with the trying to hit the clowns. Him and I, we usually do a combo where we help each other. We've gotten the highest score here, also at Great Wolf Lodge, different other places that have this. You can check out some of my product reviews down in the description, where I have Frontier Town, I have Dutch Wonderland, Busch Gardens, Cartoon Network Hotel, different places that we've gone to, fun places. So if you want to see some other stuff, but I'm going to turn the camera off so I can give him a hand. We'll see what we can do with that. You beat it? He's racking into tickets. We just got the highest score. It's a fun game. I'm going to head over with Chloe now to do skee ball.
I got 10,000.
10,000 3 times? Really? Now this looks new, Batman. I don't remember this ever being here before. This looks very cool. Let's try it out. Ooh, I definitely got to go with this one. It's my favorite Batmobile. Wouldn't mind buying a replica of it. There's actually somebody selling the body parts to one. Here's a picture if you want to see it. I was thinking about buying it. But let's try this out. Nice. And if you need to take a break to either eat or whatever, just want to pause it, you can always take your card. You can bring it to one of these kiosks here, scan it, pause your card, and then you can see there it says pause it. And then once you're done, you start playing the game again, it'll unpause it for you. Always love having their food here as well. They have great pizza and salad bars and drinks and stuff. So we're going to take a little break and eat, and then we'll be back to the games. Actually, this one's new too. With Mario and Sonic Olympic Games. That looks pretty cool. I'm always good at this one here. I can usually get 100. I'll see what happens.
Nice job. Crank to 100. Way to go.
Okay, well that wraps up this time here at Chuck E. Cheese. We're here in Dover, Delaware, checking out after the remodel. Some cool stuff. Got some new games that we saw that they added here, and as well as kept some of the original ones as well. Unfortunately, the animatronics are gone. I've always loved those, but they have the digital stuff. I guess that's more appealing to the younger generation. But that wraps up this this time here having fun at this welcome back to the new Chuck E. Cheese. I hope the video was informative for you and enjoyable. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. So please like the video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Wait, the 52,000's yours? That's your highest score?